Apple's secret weapon? AI to design future iPhone and Mac chips faster. Welcome to our channel i2 Future. What's the secret sauce behind Apple's incredible devices? A big part of it is their custom-designed silicon, the powerful chips that power everything from your iPhone to the groundbreaking Vision Pro. And now, Apple is looking to a cutting-edge technology to make this process even faster and more efficient. Artificial intelligence. In recent private remarks revealed by Reuters, Apple's Senior Vice President of Hardware Technologies, Johnny Srouji, shared some fascinating insights. Speaking in Belgium while receiving an award, Srouji indicated Apple's keen interest in leveraging generative AI to accelerate the design of their custom chips. For those unfamiliar, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. In this case, potentially new chip designs or parts of them. Srouji emphasized that Apple has always relied on the most cutting-edge tools for chip development, highlighting their long history from the first A4 chip in 2010 to the latest M series and the silicon powering the Vision Pro. He specifically pointed out the crucial role of electronic design automation, EDA, companies, the firms that create the software used to design complex chips. The two biggest players in this space, Cadence Design Systems and Synopsys, have been actively integrating artificial intelligence into their offerings. And here's the key quote. Srouji said, "EDA companies are super critical in supporting our chip design complexities. Generative AI techniques have a high potential in getting more design work in less time, and it can be a huge productivity boost." Think about it. Chip design is an incredibly intricate and time-consuming process. Imagine the potential of AI to assist engineers, suggesting optimal layouts, identifying potential issues faster, and ultimately speeding up the entire development cycle. This could mean Apple could bring even more powerful and innovative chips to market at a quicker pace. Srouji also touched upon another crucial aspect of Apple's chip strategy, making big, bold bets. He cited the monumental transition of their Mac computers from Intel processors to their own Apple Silicon in 2020, revealing that there was no backup plan. This all-in approach underscores Apple's confidence in their internal chip design capabilities and their willingness to embrace significant technological shifts. So what does this all mean for the future? Apple's interest in generative AI for chip design signals a continued commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with their hardware. By potentially accelerating the design process, we could see faster innovation in iPhones, Macs, and future devices, even more powerful and energy-efficient chips, Apple maintaining its competitive edge in the tech industry. This news out of Apple is another clear indicator of the growing importance of artificial intelligence across all sectors of technology. From software to now the very core of hardware design, AI is poised to revolutionize how things are created. What are your thoughts on Apple potentially using AI in their chip design process? Are you excited about the possibilities? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on Apple and the latest tech news.